Hello everyone and congratulations. If you are watching this video, that means you have successfully completed the complete AutoCAD 2D for Civil Engineer course. Okay. When you started this course, you probably didn't know how to draw using the professional commands, how to manage the layers properly, how to create the clean wall layout, how to create the door and the window using the blocks. Okay. How to add the dimension, annotation, how to prepare the professional floor plan, how to generate the elevation section and the floor plan properly, or even how to export your drawing for the real world use or in the PDF format that we have used in the PDF format only. Okay, but now you can create a complete civil engineering floor plan from scratch. You can prepare a professional 2D draft drawing. Then after you understand the layers, drafting settings, dimension, annotation, and most importantly, you can now work on a real world residential planning project using the AutoCAD. You know the all the basic of it, and now you are entered into a professional level. Okay, means you have got the basic to intermediate level. Whatever you need from the scratch, you have been completed. Okay. Now, in this course, we have started from the very basic. We understand the AutoCAD interface. We learned the all essential drawing commands. Then we have seen the modified tools like the offset, trim, mirror, and the scale that increased our perspective of viewing or made all the tasks very simple. Okay, we explored the object snap, ortho mode, and the polar tracking for the precise drafting. That is basically came under the status bar. Whatever we know that the status bar is, that comes under that. We worked with the arrays, dimensions, leaders, and the text. And finally, we created a complex, simple floor plan first of all, and then after we have seen for a complex residential floor plan, that was the floor plan 2. And in of that floor plan 2, we have seen how to make the elevation drawing, and the same way we have seen how to make the section drawing. Okay, just like it is done in the actual civil engineering projects. Also, I have provided you with the practice files so that you can now test your skill independently. I strongly recommended you to redraw all the provided plans on your own. Try making a small changes in the dimensions, create your own custom room layouts, and practice block creation for the furniture and opening. As I have provided you a complete already made the furniture part, but you can also try on your own how to make the furniture and how to create a block of it and see the all the details. Okay, as you know that by pressing Ctrl+2, you can get the access to the AutoCAD software that already made blocks and extra blocks that whatever I have provided you, that is basically the drawing file whatever I have provided. On that basis you can choose the block creation, but for your more understanding of it, you can just try of making on your own blocks. Okay, because in drafting practice is everything. Without practice nothing will happen. Okay, now after completing this course, your next step what should be? Okay, so your next step will be practicing the real residential layouts, preparing the working drawings, then after learning the advanced tools like the AutoCAD 3D for the faster means the for going the forward in the future, or moving towards the softwares like the Revit or for the beam based modeling. Beam is the building information modeling. Okay, and at last, thank you so much for enrolling in this course and learning with me. If you found this course helpful, please consider leaving a review. It will really help me create more useful content for the civil engineering students like you. I wish you all the very best for the civil engineering journey and happy drafting. And at last, one sentence, that is practice daily, draft professionally, build your engineering future. Okay. Thank you everyone for enrolling in this course. That's it for this video and that's it for this course.